Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I tried to film this the other day, but it was a huge mess. So this is going up a little bit later than I wanted it to, but that's okay. It has been an absolutely crazy week at work and stuff, so I haven't really been able to get up a lot of videos, which I hate just like hardly posting any videos because I love doing this. So I'm hoping over this next week I can get back a little bit more into it, but we also are moving at the end of the month. We actually did find a new place. So we're moving at the end of the month, so that could make everything a little bit crazier as well. So don't know how posting will go with that, but just bear with me. So part of the reason I got this stuff is because I was really getting myself a housewarming gift. I got this, but really the reason I ordered is because I got myself two warmers as kind of like for the new place. I got a mini warmer in the fall foliage. It's the Scentsy Harvest collection, and then I got the October warmer of the month, which is so pretty. The first time going around filming this, I plugged it in and everything to show you guys, but now I have it all packed away because I'm like, I want to keep it all packed perfect to get it to the new place for the move, so like it doesn't break or anything. So I'm kind of sad I'm not like plugging in, but when I get to the new place, I plan to kind of like show you an overview of all of the ones that I have, so you will see it eventually. But I'm just kind of sad that I already did this one time and it was just a disaster, so I'm trying again. But I do want to go through some of the bars that I got with you guys, just because I personally love watching these videos, so I'm gonna share it with you guys. Okay, so first scent, I kind of like got a ton of fall scents just because this was like the last kind of wrap up of the fall scents I wanted to try. So I just got a 6-pack, and then I got the scent of the month as well. So I got honey pear cider, which is juicy pear, sweet honey, and spices. Hopefully my camera is doing okay. And this really, it smells really good. It literally smells like pears, honey, and spices. It smells wonderful. Yes, this would even be good like September-ish. Like you could do this right at the beginning of fall because it's kind of on that like tail end of summer smell. This smells really, really good. I'm really excited to warm this to see how it smells while it's warming. So the next one I got is pumpkin cinnamon swirl. The notes are pumpkin, cinnamon stick, and icing. So I kind of went back and forth with this one and pumpkin roll. I feel like they're kind of similar, but I've heard some people say some weird things about pumpkin roll. So they were like, it's good, but then when it like dies out, it smells like dirty or like dusty almost. So I was like, no, I'm not gonna go that route. I'll start with this, and then if I love it, maybe I'll try pumpkin roll. I don't know. So I just went with pumpkin cinnamon swirl to be safe. It really just smells like a pumpkin cinnamon roll, honestly. It does have, it says icing, but it has almost kind of like a vanilla, like on the back end a little bit. The bottom is more of the pumpkin and the cinnamon. It says cinnamon stick, but it's really like cinnamon you put in a cinnamon roll. It's not like those candies that are like hot cinnamon. Yeah, this one smells really good. I don't know that this would be like a, oh my gosh, I have to have this like all the time type of scent, but I'm really excited to try it. And then next we have Farm Stand Pumpkin. Don't know how well these are focusing. This is pumpkins, apple, cinnamon stick, and caramel. So it's kind of like an apple pumpkin scent, but I'm thinking maybe it has that touch of caramel, which I personally like. This one is a little bit heavier on the cinnamon from what I can smell just like up front. Yeah, You definitely get more of the cinnamon in here, but that almost makes it better for like later into fall. It's not like, oh my gosh, I can't bear to smell this cinnamon, but it's on the borderline kind of. And that may change when it's melting, but I feel like the cinnamon tends to be like the most dominant note in things and like stick around the longest, so we'll see. The caramel's very, very faint, but I'd like to see how it comes out when it's warming. So next I got Autumn Road Trip, and I really only got this one because there was a scent circle in the September whiff box in Autumn Road Trip, and it was so good. So the notes are harvest apple, Anjou pear, and silver oak. The scent circle was so good, so that's why I picked it up. And it smells just like the scent circle. I hope it smells like it keeps that scent through the whole life of it, because obviously as it warms, this will have more complexity than like the car air freshener. So yeah, it smells really good. So I'm really excited to warm this. I hope it smells like it did in the car, because I really like that. The top smells identical. The bottom has more of that like silver oak type of smell. So we'll see when it warms, but the top smells completely identical to what was in my car. So I'm really excited about that, because I really enjoyed that. It kind of like, it definitely has that like silver oak, like wood type of note, but I'm coming to realize that I think I really like that for some reason. I also picked up Almond Croissant. This was definitely on recommendation of Mr. Kong's mom. She absolutely loves this. So the notes are fresh baked croissant, cinnamon sugar, and almond. This is like a weird one to me. It doesn't smell like croissant to me. It smells like definitely almond and then like cinnamon sugar. It's not what I was expecting. I was expecting it to have like a bready type of note for the croissant, and I really don't get that, but who knows what it will be like when it warms. Like I was expecting it to be more bakery, I guess. And the bottom smells exactly like the top. It doesn't smell any different. I don't know. I feel like it's kind of hard to emulate like bread type scents. So we'll see when it's warming if it has any more of that bread type scent, but I definitely get the cinnamon sugar and the almond. I don't really get a croissant type of vibe. So we'll see when it warms. I mean, it smells good, and I think it'll be a perfect mixer should I choose to mix with breakfast in bed. So also Mr. Kong's mom raving about this one. This one's pumpkin pastry, black raspberry, and cinnamon drizzle. So this smells really good. It's definitely like pumpkin, raspberry, and cinnamon drizzle. Once again, I don't really get the like pastry bready type note, but I've heard this one will like blow you out of the house. I've heard it's really strong. Yeah, it smells pretty much the same on the bottom, but I've heard mixing these two is like a total winner. So I'm excited to do that as well. This one smells really good. It honestly, it smells like you could honestly warm this like not necessarily just in fall. Like I could see myself warming this almost all year round. I don't know, that's kind of my opinion. And then the last one I got is Walnut Raisin Muffin. This is the October scent of the month. The description on this one is fresh from the oven, baked muffin spiced with cinnamon, filled with decadent golden raisins and walnuts. I've had a sample of this already, and from the sample I can tell you guys, I don't get any bakery from this. Even though they have it listed in the bakery category, I really just get like a fruity with like cinnamon, like a spiced fruit type of note. Even in here, like it's very heavy on the fruit, which it doesn't even really list in in this description, but I know in its like full description with the top, mid, and base notes, it has like applesauce. It has like other notes. You definitely get like a fruity note. And then I feel like once the fruity note dies off, it's literally just like spices. I don't know, I like it. I just wish that they didn't claim it to be like bakery, but I have heard people say like all they get from this is like a muffin type scent, but I don't get that at all. And I mean, I really like bakery, but I literally get like just a really fruit. It's just like a whole lot of fruit. And then like when I did my sample, when that kind of died off, it was just like cinnamon and spices, which was lovely for the house. I also mixed it a little bit with Ghostly Greetings, which was also really nice. So I really like this scent. I just feel like there's so much going on in the description, and like there's so many notes in here. I feel like either you get like the fruity cinnamon or you get like cinnamon bakery. And I don't know, I feel like a lot of people aren't loving it because they are thinking it's gonna be like these two mixed together, like bakery like muffin type of vibes. And like I feel like the people who are going into it with that expectation are being disappointed and getting fruit, and I feel like the people who want it to be more fruit centric are getting the bakery. So it's kind of a weird one, but I like it. I'm excited to warm it more than just my tester, because I feel like the tester isn't always like a perfect example, but we'll see. But yeah, that's all I have for today. Like I said, I will be showing you guys the warmers that I picked up once we get to the new place and I can like officially set everything up. But they are packed away as of now. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.